This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Wow! All 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the living areas are on the main level. Only the bonus room and garage are downstairs. So, why does this home look so fine? In 2024 the sellers had real hardwood floors installed in the main living areas, and they had the hardwood floors in the bedrooms refinished. They had the windows replaced on the front of the house, on the east end, and in the hall bath. The French doors were also replaced. The interior main living areas were painted in 2024, as was the exterior. Plus new lighting was installed. In 2022 they replaced the air conditioner and the two dishwashers. In 2018 and 2019 they replaced the double gas ovens and the refrigerator. During the same period, they had new laminate floors installed downstairs. The chimney interior was resurfaced in 2014 and was serviced in 2024. Yes, the sellers have taken meticulous care of their home and have made proper improvements. Yes, they love it, but they are relocating to be near family. For more information,